Yeah, in this video, we'll discuss another problem. A frustum of a cone having base diameter 50 mm, top diameter 30 mm, and the axis height 60 mm is given. A sphere of radius 20 mm is placed centrally on the top of the frustum. Draw the isometric view or isometric projection of the given solids. So here in this, I'm going to draw the isometric view. So let us draw the two circles of base diameter 50 mm and 30 mm and enclosed in a square. So here you can see, right? So this is the bottom base and this is the top base. Now I am switching on the ISO draft, then select the line, click here and give the length as diameter bottom base 50 mm. Then this side again 50 mm and 50 mm, 50 mm. Done. Now use the 4 center method to draw the circle in isometric view. So let us give the point names here. This is my point 1 and this is 2, 3 and 4. Let us mark this is 2, 3 and 4. This is the square. Next, from this wide angle corner or minor diagonal of this rhombus at point 2, I am drawing a line to the midpoint of the opposite side here, and same from point 2 opposite side midpoint. In the same way from point 4 to opposite side midpoint, and another this side 2, 3 side midpoint. And now I got the two new intersection points here and here. I am going to give the names for these two. This is point A and here it is point B. To mark a point at these four centers, center 1, at center 2, and center 3, and center 4. Done. These are the four centers. I'll be used to draw the circle in isometric view. So I'm selecting arc, start center method. I'm selecting arc, so start center end option. So I'm going to draw the segment of the ellipse here to here. So point 2 is my center. This is my starting point. Point 2 is my center and end point is up to here. I'm continuing the same. This point to this point and up to here, this point, right? Also mark the center for this bottom base. So for that I'm going to draw a diagonal, and this center point is the center of the bottom base. Now draw the axis vertically with a length of 60 mm. Now change the style of this axis to axis type. Now at this top point of the axis, draw one more square in isometric, that is rhombus 5, 6, 7, 8 for top circle. Take a line, switch on ortho mode. So take a length of line is equal to same as diameter of the small circle, that is top circle 30 mm. This side 30 mm, again this side 30 mm, and back to this point 30 mm. Also mark the center. I'm going to draw the diagonal and move command, holding at midpoint of this diagonal and connecting at this top point. And now I'm removing this diagonal. So same 4 center method I'm following here. From this point, drawing a line to the opposite side midpoint. And same from this point to opposite side midpoint. Again from this corner to opposite side midpoint. This point to opposite side midpoint. So here also I got the two new intersection points. Let me give the point names of this top square first. So copy this. This is 0.5, and here this is 6, 7, and 8. So this point will be, let's take some C and D. So this is 6, 7, this is 8, and this is say some C. This is point D, right? Now use the same method, arc, start, center, end. So this is my center point, this is my start point of the arc, end point is here. So this is my center of the arc, right? I am continuing same up to here, continuing up to here, and next here. Okay, this is the top base of the frustum of a cone. Now draw a line as a tangent from this top ellipse to bottom ellipse. So for that, select line, press and hold the control button, right click. Here you will get some tangent. So when your cursor is moving on the circumference of this ellipse, you can see the tangent symbol. And here also, when you come to this bottom ellipse, click again, click on tangent. So you find some tangent symbol. Escape. The same way, again select line this side, press and hold the control. So move your cursor onto the circumference, right click, click on tangent. You can see the symbol here, click, and again right click here, click on tangent symbol. You'll see from some this tangent symbol, right? So now this is the frustum of a cone. Now let us change the style of this backside portion of the bottom base into hidden line. So select this segment, change the style of line into hidden, and this portion we need to break here, break at point, this curve at this tangent point or intersection point. Similarly, this arc at this intersection point. Okay, now select this segment and this segment, change the style into hidden line. Now see, right? So next, draw the sphere on top of this frustum. I am marking a point here at the center of this top base. Right now I'm going to draw the center of sphere. Sphere radius is given as 20 mm. So to mark the center of the sphere, here we need to calculate the isometric length of the radius. CAL calculator, 20 multiplied with 0.815, enter. So you'll get the answer here, 16.3. Now with that 16.3 length, starting from here, so vertically upward, the length is 16.3, enter. Okay, now here you got the new point. This is the center of the sphere. Okay, so I'm changing 8 just side. This is the corner of this rhombus, and this point is center of the sphere. So now that point has center. I'm taking circle, center radius, this point has center, and the radius is given as 20 mm. Okay. So next, when you see this sphere on top of the frustum, the top base of the frustum, this circle, is not visible completely. That portion of this ellipse we need to change into hidden portion. So select this, change to hidden, and also this bracket point, this arc at this point, also this point at this point. Okay, now select this small segment and this segment, change to hidden. So select all, change the layer to thick, and select this bottom square, this diagonal line, this construction lines, change to thin layer. Now you can see. So finally give the dimensions. Dimension, the diameter of the bottom base is 50 mm and the axis height is 60 mm and top base diameter 30 mm and the spear radius as 20, the diameter is 40. See, this is a complete answer for the question. If this video is helpful, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to SK Viewers. Thank you.